Burden gang, we in the building, we in the building, we in the building, gang, 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 gang. When I say burden, y'all say gang. Burden, gang, burden, gang, we in the building, we never going down, climbing our way back to the crown.
Look guys, these what we got today. Quail eggs in my baby hand. See, he got a big hand, but it's only up here. Oh my God. Look, he got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 7, 9.
6, 8, 9.
We got 9. I said 7. Look. And it ain't even folded up. I told you I can put like maybe like 2 dozen in his hand. Okay. Look, this is so great. Look at the different kinds. Okay, Burden gang, we're out. Look guys, we just checked the babies, and look. Oh right. Damn. Oh shit, I almost dropped it. But look y'all, let's see how many.
13.
13. Oh my God, remember I told you I could put a dozen in my man's hand? It's more now. Look how many. This in one day, guys. In one day. Now, yesterday, I showed y'all that from yesterday when we had 10. Now, look, 13. Oh, my God. My man hand's so dirty because he been working hard. Nah. He been working hard. If you got a man, let me not even go there. That straight, clean hands, huh, something wrong. Something wrong now, yeah. But anyway, let me not go there because your man can pay people to do work for him. Anyway, look at this, guys. This is so good. Oh, my God. I just love it. Okay, guys. This is the 3rd day that we got eggs from out the quail pen. Look, guys. Look. It's 10 of them.
12.
Oh, 12. It's 12 of them. Oh my God, I wasn't counting. My mind went here. Anyway, look, it's 12 of them. Oh my God. And look at this one right here. It's so big. Look. Look, guys. It's so many different kinds. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, Jesus.
Okay.
There y'all go.
Burden gang, we in the building, we in the building, we in the building, gang, gang. Gang, 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 gang. When I say burden, y'all say gang. Burden, gang, burden, gang. We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crown.